Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Hope you're all doing good, guys. So let's get into today analysis. What happened today? We had two losses. So basically here at 10 o'clock I entered one because of seeing this selling. One small lot I entered, immediate stop loss, and I exited it. And then what happened last, in the end, market went up here. It took time, and then this breakout I entered here, kept my stop loss here. I should have actually kept my stop loss here. See, this was an actual good stop loss, but I kept it exactly under this level because this becomes a volatile zone. That was the reason behind it. What happened? It hit my stop loss, then it came up. So even if I would have kept it here, there is a high probability it would have hit my stop loss. So this is something to be noticed about. So let's plan about tomorrow. Market is still at a very crucial level, so here is a very good place to buy now again. So 22,545 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at this, that is 22,475. Okay, so this will be my stop loss for the Nifty. Next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, we were holding this trade and it gave us a very good profit today. So if you guys see, it's almost 1:6 trade, which was really good. I was happy. I exited it here, right here. I exited, guys, at this point. Okay, 48040 where I exited. Okay, then I was holding this to see how it's going. Still in an uptrend. We have huge potential. Still we have till 48,590. So if it crosses 48,185 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it. Okay, that's for Bank Nifty. Selling, no, I'm not seeing anything as of now. Next is US oil. So US oil hit our stop loss here, exited. So this is how it's looking now. Currently US oil is looking like this. It's totally fine. It is taking its time to consolidate and everything. Will it break from here? I don't know. Okay, so this is a very important zone according to me. That is $84 and $84.98 is a very important zone for me. So if it breaches that, then this might turn a bit negative. Okay, might turn a bit negative, and we have to see on the negative side for the trades. Okay, so that's it for US oil. That is from here. Okay, this is the level where I'll be shorting $85 and below. I'll be looking forward to short it, but it can definitely get volatile, guys. If you see here, see the spikes, so it can get volatile. Okay, next is gold. Gold, if you guys see, I exited exactly cost to cost here. See, I captured 1:3, and then I moved the SL to cost. So one lot exited in cost to cost, one lot gave me a 1:3. Okay, that's what happened here. And here we see a new fresh up move. This can definitely act as a trend line. Okay, this can definitely act as a trend line, so we have to see how this goes. So if it crosses about 2295 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it for gold. Okay, and we have 5 stock for swing trading. First is Tata Elixir. I love this stock, man. This stock has given very good returns for me in the past. I'm definitely looking forward to buy it. So even the volumes are good volumes. This is a profit booking. So tomorrow, if I get a price of okay, where is this? What happened? Somewhere there is okay, so if I get a price of 7970 to 8130, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss would be at 7875. Okay, and target is very subjective. You can trail a stop loss and take it even till this trend line. Next is Raymond's on a very good breakout. If you guys see on a weekly time frame, Raymond's, this pattern is getting broken now, and we do have some decent volumes, not great but decent volumes. So if I get a price of 1905 to 1945, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss would be at 1855. Okay, next is Sun Pharma ADV. This is not Sun Pharmaceutical, this is Sun Pharma ADV, and this is how this trend line goes here. Trend line has been broken now and it gapped up immediately. So tomorrow I'm looking forward to buy this. So if a price of 408 to 415, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss would be at 390. Okay, and next is Inox India. Inox India was consolidating for quite some time now, almost 48 days to 50 days it was consolidating. Now it has given a breakout and there is some volumes we can see. So if I get a price of 1317 to 1350, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 1260. Okay, and the last is National Aluminium. This is also a good stock, guys. Has given me good profits in the past. Now again it is giving a breakout. Okay, and this is a good profit booking. So these are the price levels we can expect. So from 167 to 179. Okay, this is the price level we'll be getting, and stop loss will be at 160. Okay, so please play around with the position sizing, guys. That is the key to winning in stock market. Okay, if you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Do support, only then it will help my channel grow. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.